Happy Halloween, folks. Got the Princess Auto Flyer here for you. Starting off, we've got this solar motion light, 10 bucks. Got a couple of these in the backyard. They work pretty good. Next up, 12 volt battery tester, 25 bucks. 70% wool blanket here for $18.88. This is good as a little emergency blanket to keep in your car. Adjustable work light for $14.88. And just missing the mark on the Halloween theme, we've got a 665 piece push pin kit here for 20 bucks. 30 pack of microfiber shop racks for $8.88. Body slammer kit safely for only 18 bucks. Here's some cool propane bottle jack-o'-lanterns that some customers made. Drain spade here for 20 bucks. Ceramic heater for 30 bucks. Half price in these iron casters ranging from 3 bucks to 5 bucks. Got some drawer slides ranging from 6 bucks to 10 bucks. 50-foot extension cord, 30 bucks. 15-foot extension cord, 12 bucks. Got some O-ring kits here, $7.50 and 10 bucks. Got a weather resistant outlet box, 9 bucks. Grow light here for 25 bucks. Get that patio furniture covered, 55% off all of these tarps right here, ranging from 5 bucks to 35 bucks. Steel ramp for 110 bucks. Pickup truck camper, 200 bucks. Got some winches here ranging from 110 bucks all the way to 250 bucks. Mechanic stethoscope, $7.50. Got different types of Scotch guard here, 10 bucks each. Portable hydraulic ram, 45 bucks. Penetrating oil starting at 4 bucks. Gorilla wood glue, 6 bucks. Hand cleaner, 12 bucks. Now in the surplus section, got an air fryer here, 60 bucks. Get ready for the school bake sale with this 35 compartment muffin pan for 30 bucks. Got some retro signs here for 5 bucks each. 10 piece test lead kit, 4 bucks. Color changing LED bar, 15 bucks. 10 outlet surge protector, 20 bucks. Got an ammo box here for 5 bucks. I see they've even started advertising it as a lunch box as well. Got some wiper blades here for 3 bucks. Tripod for 10 bucks. Got a 48-foot string of LED lights here. I've actually got 2 of these going around the backyard as well. These are pretty nice, 35 bucks. Got some foam pipe wraps here, 49 cents each. 25 feet of wire loom, ranging from 5 bucks to 8 bucks. 70 pack of rubber grommets, $7.50. Tire repair kit, 7 bucks. Extended reach air cutting tool here for 50 bucks. Got a 53 piece impact socket set here for 75 bucks. Inline air dryer here for 70 bucks. Got a hot knife here for 30 bucks. 400 piece drill accessory kit here, 35 bucks. Half-inch torque wrench, 20 bucks. Got a dial indicator here for 15 bucks, as well as the magnetic base for 20 bucks. 3-piece magnetic parts tray, 7 bucks. Magnetic floor sweeper, 20 bucks. Magnifying visor for 5 bucks. As goofy as this looks, this is pretty handy for working on circuit boards. Heavy scissors, 5 bucks. 3-piece magnetic toolbar, 10 bucks. Got hammers and mallets for every occasion here. 48-inch pry bar, 25 bucks. Looks like bar clamps are in sale. 16 bucks up to 22 bucks for the 4-foot ones. Digital protractor, 15 bucks. Paint mixer drill attachment, 4 bucks. 3-piece cushion locking pliers, 15 bucks. 11-piece snap ring pliers, 22 bucks. Multimeter, 13 bucks. Wall cabinet here for 100 bucks. I've got one of these. Wish it was a little bit deeper, but it does the job. Got 2 electric hoists here. The up to 440 pound one for 120 bucks, and then the 880 pound one for 160 bucks. 4-foot shop light, $27.50. Scaffold here for 220 bucks. High-vis parka for 80 bucks. 5-ton lock splitter, 289 bucks. Looks like it's half off the flux core welding wire. Argon regulator here for 50 bucks. Welding gloves here for 10 bucks. And that's the end of the flyer. Here's a cool dragon that Greg made. Anyways, take care, folks.